Readily available official statistics to support the trend of single parenting in Africa, but everyday experiences indicate that it is on a steady and alarming increase.
Well, you see, issue of single parents handling a child is something that is so disastrous in our society today.
We don't have to be judgmental.
In Africa, the major cause of single parenting in the past is usually the death of a spouse. But now, other indices such as failed marriage, delayed marriage, and quest for independence, to mention a few, have crept in.
It's a decision many girls take now. If they are economically independent, they feel they can take care of their children, and then they don't have to wait for marriage if the marriage is late in coming.
The men are not there to come for them because the job is not there. So what we are saying is that government should provide one. We are talking about how many agendas. We need only 2 agendas. Let them be job and let them be light.
It's not wise for a particular sex to train a child. It's good for the mother and the father to train, because the father has an impact he has to create in the child, while the mother has also the impact he has to create.
Chinyere Ojukwu is a single parent, but not by choice. She was once married, but her experience in marriage made her resolve to raise her children on her own.
If you have been married before and your marriage was abusive, I mean, the man keeps battering you and you don't have anything, you stay on your own. So they're about, if the man refuses to be committed and you need your freedom and you don't want to be battered, and you have a very good job, well, you can bring up kids. You can bring up kids.
Children are meant to be taken care of by both parents. Don't you think you're depriving your children of those rights?
Okay, if you are married to a man that is violent or cultic, or a man that in a week he just comes to the house maybe twice in a week, or he's a weekend daddy, he can as well go away.
Fuad Adeyemi is a Muslim cleric. He gives a religious insight into single parenting.
God commanded that when you want to have a partner, you should choose a very responsible partner for your children. Single parenting can come out of probably one. A man impregnates a woman, and it's either a woman goes with the pregnancy when the man either he denies or he was not ready for the pregnancy. It could be either of the two. It does not have a space in Islam.
Psychologists say that children are supposed to be raised by both parents, but when in a single parent situation, they are denied that right. Even though a lot of children from single parent families do well in life, single parenting is strongly associated with an increased risk of a number of negative social, behavioral, and emotional outcomes for children. Rinsola Adebanjo, AIT.